Hello everyone, welcome back to Uzalo Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 26th to the 30th of September 2022 on Monday. Nkunzi put his foot down and gives Nosipho an ultimatum. Gabsile lies to Nkunzi about the call she has just received. Madonga tells Lily what she's been waiting to hear on Tuesday. Pastor Kwala turns the table on Nkunzi. Lily and Amahle prepare for their big day, for their big move away from Kwamashu on Wednesday. Gabsile finds herself exposed to the forbidden fruit. Nosipho stands up for herself against Nkunzi. Vika embarks on a new journey on Thursday. Gabsile is excited by Mthambisi's proposal. Commissioner Sithole invites Lily to be part of the elite task team. Nosipho moves in with Pastor Kwala on Friday. Gabsile's past comes back to bite him when she's forced to partner with a fling. Nosipho is left feeling uncomfortable knowing a family relative from Pastor Kwala's life will be paying her a visit. Lily's promotion comes at an awkward time. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.